The Cuisinart stainless steel SmartNest 11-piece set is a uniquely designed cookware system that reduces necessary storage space by 30%, making access convenient and reduces unnecessary wear and tear. Specially designed tabs and side handles perfectly nest your cookware so surfaces don't touch and therefore won't be marred. It includes one stack capable of steaming, simmering, and creating sauces, and the other braising, sautéing, and frying. You know exactly what stack to reach for depending on what you plan on cooking. Lids fit securely in a dedicated stand in descending order, so you know exactly what lid fits each pot or pan. Plus, each piece has measure markings along with riveted handles and tight-fitting lids, so it takes the guesswork out of recipe preparation. Lifting and moving is easy, and flavor and nutrients are kept sealed in tight. The high-performance cooking surface does not discolor, react with food, nor alter flavors. Pieces work on all cooktops, including induction, and are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. And with its lifetime warranty, you'll get great performance with every use. Keep yourself and your cabinets organized with the Cuisinart SmartNest 11-piece set.